Got here the 007 Uncle's truck. Getting touched back up. I got to put a new C15 motor in it. Ace just a little more stuff to it. It's a 95. Got the new doors on, front door, mirror brackets. Oh, nice blue. Took the fenders off to get so it could get towed. You know, it's at a 300 wheelbase. You know, we're gonna bring it back out nice and clean. See. It's gonna come back out nice and right. Getting the engine all nice and touched up. I'm gonna get everything repainted back on it. A little walk around on the peak. See. A little tight area, but yeah, big old 8-inch stacks. Got the bubble fenders that will come around. Yeah, see the new door. I'll see it. Y'all see it, man. I'll sleep on it. And then got the side panels full of lights. When I say this thing lights up, it lights up. Uncle truck. Bring her back out soon, y'all. Yep, can't wait till he brings it back out so I can dog walk it too. And I'm heavier. Bigger fuel tanks, 200 gallons. He probably got 150 gallons tank. Can't see right now. Look. Yep, it's not the truck, y'all. You know, little stuff, you know. Been sitting for a little minute, but you know, he finally got her back going.